What's up, nail friends? For this video, I wanted to attempt the new trend I've seen floating around called the candy ball nail. If you're not familiar with the candy ball nail, someone started it by creating a beautiful rose design, and then it was recreated many times in many different ways. So I wanted to do something a little bit different and try to create this design, but in a geode. So if you're interested in this technique, let's get started. To start, you're going to need a dotting tool and some hard gel. You can use any brand you want. Then you'll want to saturate the tip of your dotting tool in hard gel and then cover it with caviar beads of any kind. Once you get the beads pretty even, you'll want to give that a cure. Once that's cured, dip it back into the hard gel and make sure to fully cover the ball and slowly spin it around to make it self-level evenly. You're going to want to fully cure each layer. After that step, now it's all about layering the colors. So I'm going to speed through that, and in the end, I'll show you how to create the geode. The candy ball was finished with a matte top coat, and now I'm using Ugly Duckling Stick-It to glue the candy ball onto the nail. This gel will cure and keep that candy ball safe and snug. To file into my ball to create the geode, I'm just using a thin cone bit and filing on an angle. And it's really cool to see the layers show through. There's so many different ways and different options to create different kinds of geodes. Then you'll want to cleanse your ball, apply some shiny top coat just over the exposed geode part, and then here's the finished result. I paired it with a beautiful royal purple gel polish and some extravagant pointy back crystals. Hope you guys liked this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Keep your nails long and your glitter strong.